Hello everyone! Are you tired of using same old Yeelight app to control your lights? Or even Mi Home? What if you could have completely different interface from third party which works just as well? Enter Samsung SmartThings. And it's pretty easy. This is what I have at home and what I tested. RGB bulb first generation, wide bulb first generation, wide bulb second generation, RGB bulb second generation, Mi desk lamp, Aurora LED strip, and Ceiling Moon 650 and Ceiling Moon 480, but probably more devices work, so let's see. First, you need to install SmartThings from the Google Play. Just type SmartThings into the search box and the first result will be your app. Now, let's see how to add your lights. After running SmartThings, open the menu and select Devices. Press plus sign and scroll to the end of the list and you will see Yeelight. Just open and select Lighting. As you can see, I already have home and rooms set up. Now is the time to link your accounts. Just enter the name and password for Yeelight app. And in no time at all, you will be shown that the accounts were successfully linked. Close the browser window and voila! All your lights are there. Now, the main interface is pretty similar to Mi Home. There are only so many ways to arrange buttons, right? But once you open the lights, you will see that it's slightly different. There is a dimmer and color temperature slider and also activity history log. For color lights, there is a standard color control circle. You also have timing and a scheduled powered on and power off. Unfortunately, with the 650 you cannot set the ambilight. And that's it. Cool, right? But what about the rest of Xiaomi devices? Well, that is slightly more complex and will be shown in the next video. So stay tuned, and if you already haven't, please subscribe to my channel and help it grow.